Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Tracked this one a while ago, and that's where this green line here is coming from. And the big question at that point in time was, wow, this was a nice move. Was this the start of something bigger for the chart? And today we got our answer. No, this whole move right here was fake. There was absolutely zero power behind it. What gives me the right to say that? Well, now the price is way down there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, the price is going to make progress forward over time. The price is not going to go back to where it started, or in this case, it's literally lower than where it even was. So as far as the movement that we were tracking last week, yeah, that was a total dead cat bounce, no genuine strength behind it. Now that the price has acted the way it has, at this point, we do know where the buyers are currently hanging out. Let's bring that down. And the buyers at this point hanging out right down here around $12.35. I'm not going to count the number of times, but there are several occasions where the bears try to bring the price down around this area and push down through. But each and every time the bulls did a good job of holding strong. Now, don't get me wrong. I wish the market was this easy, and I wish I could say that because $12.35 held today, it is guaranteed to hold tomorrow and that a huge bounce is coming. Again, markets aren't that easy. No such thing as a guarantee. Would it be shocking to see $12.35 continue to hold and some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking, but nobody can sit here and say that this is for sure the current bottom. But what people can say is, thanks to the chart, there are people currently willing to buy at $12.35. Whether or not that remains the case going forward, that remains to be seen. But these are great setups for trading, assuming, of course, you understand risk management and can honor stop losses and all that good stuff. But as things stand right now, the buyers definitely kind of have a little buyers club down there around 1240 or 1235. What about areas of resistance? So if this does indeed start to bounce, where are some potential battlegrounds at? Initial level to keep an eye on if any sort of bounce has really any hope of getting started is right there at $12.70. And if the price can manage to push through there, then not that far off. Next level of resistance right up there at $13. So, is it going to bounce? Who knows? But there's no doubt about it. There's quite a few buyers hanging out there around $12.35. So we'll see if they continue to hang out there and provide some sort of support, because as this one has shown us, and this is no surprise, I mean, it is a three leveraged, nice bounces can happen. So we'll see what happens here over the course of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.